cricket. It should have been the day where we should have only been talking about cricket, but the first day, the inaugural day-night test at world's biggest cricketing stadium, which has been inaugurated today, it was more politics than cricket, which has now stolen the limelight. At the Motera Stadium, hours after the world's biggest stadium in Ahmedabad was renamed after Prime Minister Narendra Modi. A big political war has erupted, with Congress launching a big attack on the centre, accusing it of insulting Sardar Patel. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor in a tweet asked if the renaming of the stadium is the beginning of the labelling spree. Former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath too described the move as an insult to the Iron Man. Another Congress leader, Hardik Patel, said BJP has been seeking votes in the name of Sardar Patel, but now the party has insulted Sardar Patel. He said people of Gujarat won't forgive the BJP for this insult. The centre, however, has hit back at the Congress, asking why Sonia Gandhi never visited the Sardar Patel statue.
क्या आज तक सोनिया जी और राहुल गांधी ने केवड़िया में जो दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची सरदार पटेल की प्रतिमा बनी है उसकी तारीफ की है क्या?
गए भी नहीं।
गए भी हैं क्या? इस बात को मैं पूरी गंभीरता से कहना चाहता हूं। जो आज दुनिया में भारत का एक जबरदस्त पर्यटन स्थल बन रहा है, आप लोग भी गए हैं, अभी तक न वो गए हैं न उसकी प्रशंसा की है। इससे अधिक और क्या कहा जाए?
All right, I'll just be joined by the Congress spokesperson Rohan Gupta as well. Iqbal Singh Lalpura continues to be with us. Mr. Lalpura, one thing that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the entire BJP used to attack the Congress with was the obsession of the Congress party of naming, the public spaces, factories, every kind of institution, after Gandhi Nehru family. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's name, the stadium has been renamed, after his name by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Is the BJP now in the race to do the same?
No, it is not. We are following the Congress system. We have the Honorable Prime Minister is from Gujarat. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat for such a long time, and people of Gujarat wants to name a stadium after Mr. Narendra Modi. What is the harm? Why should it not be done?
Okay.
The complex is already known
two
as
questions,
Sardar
sir.
Patel complex. Sardar Patel the complex
Okay.
is.
Can you
Sardar
tell me,
Patel
like you
complex.
said, people of Gujarat wanted to name the Motera Stadium after Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Can you please tell me if you are privy to some sort of delegation or the demand of the people or a letter written by any society or a group of people to in fact do the same? Because I am not, sir. I'm just asking for my information.
All our MLAs and all our other people, our workers are there in every village, and everybody wants that Mr. Narendra Modi's name should be there with the state. And he is the member parliament from Banaras in Uttar Pradesh. So Gujarati people also want to claim their claim over him. So they want him to be with them.
You said that it is the BJP workers, the BJP MLAs and the BJP party spokesperson, the party people who wanted this to be named. So it is the BJP which wanted to rename the Motera Stadium after Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
No. It is the public of Gujarat. No, nothing doing with the BJP only. It is the public of Gujarat who wanted to name it after Mr. Narendra Modi, who hails from Gujarat.
Okay.
And this complex is known as Sardar Patel complex. We are just confusing it. The complex is Sardar Patel complex and the stadium is Narendra Bhai Modi Stadium. Within that
Mr.
complex,
Lalpura,
we have a stadium.
In your appreciation, sir, you are a senior politician. In your appreciation, how many chief ministers, prime ministers have been given the opportunity of having a stadium, after themselves while they are on the seat in power, very much alive, sir? Do you recall any?
No. Nehru had a lot of institution is in name. Indira Gandhi had a lot of institution in name. In Punjab also. So we and
After-
everywhere there
after
are
they passed away,
institutions
sir.
Which are no during their lifetime also.
Rohan Gupta of the Congress Party is with us. Mr. Gupta, the BJP says that the Congress Party, with what face do they come and even tell us, Mr. Shashi Tharoor saying that now we are in the renaming spree. The Congress has only done one thing in this country of naming every institution after the Gandhi Nehru family. What's the problem if the people of Gujarat, as per Mr. Lalpura, wanted a stadium to be renamed after Prime Minister Narendra Modi? It's a hypocrisy on the part of the Congress Party.
I was listening to Mr. Lalpura and let him show me the survey where they have taken opinion of people of Gujarat that the stadium should be renamed from Sardar Patel to Narendra Modi. It is really ironical that Ahmedabad's anniversary is on 26th of February and the first mayor of Ahmedabad, Sardar Patel, his name is now getting changed to Mr. Narendra Modi. See, I am not going into whether it is right or wrong, but it is the same Sardar Patel who was the president of Gujarat Pradesh Congress Committee, and Mr. Modi has marketed his name extensively in all the elections in Gujarat. It was the same party BJP who opposed the naming
BJP
of
has very
Ahmedabad
clearly
airport
said the
as Sardar
sporting
Vallabhbhai
complex
Patel airport.
still is after Sardar Patel's name. The sporting complex is still after Sardar Patel's
Absolutely,
name.
that's what I'm
the
saying. You
Motera
tell me what is the
Stadium,
need.
That name
What
has
is
been
the need?
renamed.
See, that's what I'm saying. Absolutely, that's what I'm saying. What was the need? What was the need? If Sardar Patel name is there, if you are creating something new, you could give name to anybody. That is their choice. I'm not going into it. But what was the need? The same Sardar Patel, who is the symbol of unity as far as the whole country is concerned, you are changing the name. I think it was not required. You could have named something new after Mr. Modi or XYZ. That is up to you. But it shows your intention. And I think the way I tweeted, I think they are taking revenge from Sardar Patel ji of banning Sangh after assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. Because same Sardar was the symbol of unity, and if you see today what's happening in the country, they are not
Absolutely, and it
following
was
the
the same
principles.
Sardar
And
who
this is the
also
message to all
revoked
the
that,
followers of Sardar Patel's
that
principle
ban
that
on the RSS. So Sardar Patel was also the Home Minister when the ban on the RSS was revoked. But Mr. Lalpura, please try and respond to what Rahul Gandhi has said. He's now linking this entire thing to in fact hit out at the BJP. The stadium has been named after Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Congress party is asking, is the BJP now insulting Sardar Patel himself?
So we respect Sardar Patel. We have constructed the tallest statue of Sardar Patel in Gujarat. Has Mr. Gandhi ever gone to that place? Has he seen that place? And even now, he's unnecessarily making the controversy. The complex is still Sardar Patel complex. All sports will like hockey, kabaddi, cricket and other volleyball, football are to be there in that complex. What is the harm in naming any
Rohan
complex
Gupta,
in the name
completely out of time. You joined in late. I want to give you the last word and ask you once again, is Congress now indulging in completely double standards, hypocritical politics, sir? Every road, every institution, most of them, a long list has been tweeted by the BJP, are named after the Nehru-Gandhi family. If the people think he's a popular prime minister with a popular mandate, if the government there or the people there want to do it, what's the problem? The Congress party, why is it making an issue out of that, sir?
Absolutely not. Ankit, as I said initially, that it is absolutely their choice to name whatever they want to do. My only objection is there was no need to replace Sardar Patel's name. Whatever the new they want to create, they have full right. We have absolutely no issue on that. But absolutely it is insult to every Gujarati of renaming Sardar Patel Stadium after Mr. Modi, because the principle followed by both the parties are totally different. Let me remind you that he was the president of Gujarat Pradesh Congress Committee. He was the mayor of Ahmedabad, and he's the pride of Gujarat. He's the pride of India. I think changing in his name and renaming it to somebody else, that is where I feel there is an issue.
All right, that's where you find an issue. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us. First day, as I was saying, of a day-night test, pink ball test in the world's biggest stadium, inaugural match. And all we are talking is politics of names. With that, slipping into a short break on the other side, Rahul Gandhi was...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.